In this video, I will guide you how to type square centimeter in PowerPoint like this one. So for this, you need to click on the insert and click on the text box and draw a text box and now type cm². Now select it and make it bigger to see easily, make it center, and now select only two and go to the home, and in the found group you need to click on this arrow and click superscript and click OK, and here it is. You can also adjust the ratio, and it is the offset of 30% right now. You can increase it to 40 or even 50% and click OK, and now you can see that the centimeter square 2 has been a little above on the cm. So in this way you can easily type square centimeter in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.